Niki kendiat sengi keladon ke jingki palo. Namar kadon ketu ke jing bekla nakaliang kitu kinong yatho. Kibalik ban yatho syati syapok Guwahati. Haka arpun yau tarik. Batru kiba hadin nangta kadon sakatuka kenja reception jongki haying. Haka arterik jong uniu benai bamenta. Bat hadin binglayo ya report na baro arngut kini ki deputy commissioners na po nongpo bat na Shillong menne hak review meeting ngila shim ya karai bat karai kolong bengi ai ke direction ya i deputy commissioner Shillong ba inle wood in file ya ka FIR persya ya kini ki sau po wengun kiba lalek bakla ha kane kakam kata kadai kementa ka bangi shim ya karai bat nangta ai bakaan kan yat bat ban bisyar katkum ka kendon jokaan kita kide kije petip pi namar katkum ka official record kelong South Wengut di South Way ke ngut ka bamut kadai ban kentup lang ya bro kadon ke protocols ka notification ke issue not necessarily ada kaya tho kaya perlu isya. Okay, ladai tho mentak ya tho cubu I paratra jopi kiba syom basa chati syapok kauti le sinau ko we have to allow them then the issue yang ngau ngapi ke report ke bngio namar hasin bengi issue daka pas kabut kalong so special lat bi ong bayap ne lat bi ong badon ka kam yeng ne namar kata kaya tho ke kam yeng kanu ka kam kabal ada ai kabal due permission is granted plus utu te hakajo kapor ngau pi andi ki wan phairu ki haban follow ya ju ba ultimately phiap ya entry point empiwan kabut phiap le cheka quarantine te ngau pi kini pro kim don borok kini kila sulong kam kulung kena nang ta number 2 tell me menta suddenly ke kali pi I permission bale mi sawoi nang ta ka notification ka transport depend on ladon ke notification ka transport department ki kali kolong tang lengut including driver babin syong dari pintu ang tami kan no suddenly kali you get my point te kita ki issue naya debate anne henry ngong pingi na ka government we are serious we mean business but kino nang ne sebat ngau ba what yalakai namar kane ngong pi kam day na kam ta ka sarkar not for the interest of the government but it is for the interest of each and every citizen, for their safety, for their health. Nata dia kata ka bapulong yang iba ngihapan sim ye kana karai, ka balong extreme. I'm so sorry ban ong ye kitu kiba haban ngat hakaan, naman ngimla ban lay ARM, namar it seems ki sim they took it very lightly kata. Those marriage party that has happened in Assam on the 27th of last month, and again even the reception that has happened in the respective residence on the 2nd of this month. I'm happy to inform to all of you that the inquiry report was received by the government today, and in the review meeting we decided after receiving the inquiry report from both the deputy commissioners, one is Nongpo and number 2 is Shillong. The decision we taken is immediate FIR has to be filed by the deputy commissioner Shillong to all the 41 members who attended the marriage ceremony or the wedding at Greenwood Resort, Guwahati. So this is the decision we taken. Immediately, the DC will file an FIR and let the law take